Conversation 1. Fixing the garage in spring.
Hey, did you notice the heating in the garage is not working?
Yeah, I think it's because the old system is due for a check.
Are you for real? That old system has been acting up since last spring.
I can see where you're coming from, but we need a solution fast.
The report was submitted to the manager yesterday.
How should I put it? We might have to replace the whole unit.
I'll do my best to find a cheap option. The economy is tight right now.
That's insane. We can't spend too much on a new heater.
I'm burnt out from all these repairs.
Let's move forward with this plan. First, check the log for error codes.
Sure. The log shows a fault in the heating sensor.
There's also a tire pressure issue on the car we need to fix.
The tire looks flat. We should pump it up before we hang the car on the lift.
Good point. The lift will keep the car safe.
My brother has a talent for fixing engines. Maybe he can help.
He might be able to help, but he's a prisoner of his own schedule.
I'm sure he'll find time. Surely he can come tomorrow.
I have an emotion that this will all go smoothly. It feels like an imaginary problem until we test it.
I wish I had more experience with heating systems.
The system will be monitored after we finish the work.
Meanwhile, I'll bring some grain snacks for the break.
Great. Let's meet at 3 o'clock.
I have a fear of missing any step, but my collection of tools will help.
See you then.
Bye.